Dear students, now we are going to do some questions from exercise 1.6, and we study today about practical problems on union and intersection of sets. And in previous exercises we have studied about union, intersection and difference of two sets, and just we will do some practical problems which we will used in our daily life. So we need some formulas. So three basic formulas here. If A and B are finite sets, then n A union B. It is n. What is meaning of n? N means cardinal number. We say cardinal number. Number of elements in A union B equal to n A plus n B minus number of elements in A intersection B. n A union B is equal to, the second case, n A plus n B, in which case it is applicable if A intersection B is equal to 5. This term will be 5. 5 means there is no any element. There is no any elements. That means n A intersection B is equal to 0. In this case, A union B equal to n A plus n B. Now third, if there are three sets A, B and C, so number of elements in A union B union C equal to n A plus n B plus n C minus A intersection B minus B intersection C minus n A intersection C plus n A intersection B intersection C. So let's see about the n. What is n? Actually NA. NA means, suppose we have the any set 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose ABC. So how many elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write here n is equal to 7. So n means number of elements in the particular set. So these are the three formula which will be used in the questions from this exercise 1.6. And by the Venn diagram, how to denote this? If there are two sets, it is universal set, and this first set is A, second set is B. So this portion is known as A minus B, that portion is B minus A, and this common part A intersection B, this common part is known as A intersection B. So it is the Venn diagram. See the question number 1. If x and y are the two sets such that nx equal to 17, that means number of elements in the set x is equal to 17, number of elements set y is equal to 23, and nx union y is equal to 38, find nx intersection y. So in the solution, what we write here? Nx equal to 17, ny is equal to 23, and x intersection y equal to 38, and nx intersection y to be calculated, to be find out. So we write here, we know that just number one formula, n x union y equal to nx plus ny minus n x intersection y. It is the formula. But with the help of this formula, we can find out, if three terms are given, we can find out fourth term. So nx in union y, that is given 38, nx is 17, ny is 23, minus, it is to be find out as it is x intersection y. Now 38 equal to, if you add these two things, it is 40 minus n x intersection y. Now this thing transposing here, it becomes n x intersection y equal to, it is 40, 38 goes that side, minus 38 equal to 2. So it is the required answer of the question number 1. So very easy if you know the formulas. Now next question is question number 2. If x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements, x has 8 elements and y has 15 elements, how many elements does x intersection y have? So we write here, we have two sets. So x and y, x intersection y has 18 elements. So we write here n means number of elements in x union y, this equal to 18, and x has 8 elements, that means number of nx, we write nx. X has how many elements? 8 elements, we write nx. That means number of elements in this set x is 8, and ny equal to 15 elements here, and we have to find out here n how many elements in x intersection y, it is to be find out. So we know that just we have used formula in the question number 1, n x union y equal to nx plus ny minus nx intersection y. So x union y equal to 18, nx is 8, ny is 15 minus, it is find out as it is x intersection y. So this 18 and 15 plus 8, 23 minus nx intersection y. Now it is transposing here, यताले आउँदाखेरि हुन्छ nx intersection y, this side 23 plus 18 goes that side, gives it minus 18. So n x intersection y is equal to 23 minus 18, 5. So it is answer of the question number 2. Now question number 3 is, now third question, in a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? So in a group of 400 people, now see, we have two sets here. First set is Hindi NH. Before this we write here, we have two sets Hindi and English. So in a group of 400 people, that means total means we use n of h union e. Union means all the elements of h and also elements of e. So nh into union e equal to, it is given 200, total is 400. So total is used for the union, and 250 can speak Hindi, nh 250, and 200 can speak English, that means ne, e for English equal to 200. Now how many people can speak both? That means common, that is intersection, number of h intersection e, Hindi intersection English equal to find out. So right here we know that thing, n h union e equal to, like x and y, if both sets were x and y, but here h and e are the sets. So we write here nh plus ne minus n h intersection e. So nh union e is given here 400 equal to nh is 250, ne is 200 minus, it will find out as it is h intersection e. So it is 400, 250 plus 200, it becomes 450 minus nh intersection e. यता ल्याउनु पर्यो, n h intersection e equal to, this is 450, 400 go that side, minus 400 is 50. So n h intersection e, mean both languages speak, 50 people speak Hindi and English both. So it is the answer, 50 people.